Furry, the little penguins that could. Written by Ann Yurchek and illustrated by Jody Culp. Chapter 15, Furry and Mac. Kindergarten is all about sharing and taking turns. From now on, Snack and I, Furry, will take turns to tell Mac's story. Don't worry, we might look like twin penguins, but we are entirely different. We will make sure you know which one of us is talking. I, Furry, will be wearing red shoes. Mac and I are inseparable. I never stay home, and Mac holds me almost every minute. I go everywhere Mac goes. When Mac brushes his teeth, I shut my beak. When Mac takes a bath, I watch by the side of the tub. It's never a good thing when stuffed penguins fall into bath water. Now, real penguins like to swim, not stuffies. When Mac eats, I eat everything Mac eats, but not really. Stuffies have stuffin' muffins, not tummies. My favorite is fish, and what I like best is when Mac decides we are going fishing to catch my dinner with his wooden fishing pole. Oh yes, fish make my stuffin' muffins happy. Mac catches one purple number 1 fish, and then another purple number 1 fish, and I eat them both. Then I eat 2 blue 2s, 2 green 3s, 2 orange 4s, and 2 red 5s. You have 5 fingers on one hand and 5 fingers on another hand. And that makes 10 whole fish, and I am stuffed. Did you get the joke? Stuffed stuffies? That's called humor. Can you help count my fish? I cuddle with Mac, who loves his soft pajamas and wraps in his warm blanket. Snuggle time is my favorite. He holds me tight. He never lets me go. Mac drops everything, but he doesn't lose me very often. I feel all safe and calm, and I get this little pitter-patter in my stuffin' muffins. I think that is what humans call love. Mac and I go on adventures. I love car rides, and I sit in my car seat next to Mac. Mom says, "Buckle up, boys. We don't want Mac or Furry to get hurt." Mom reaches in and buckles us into our car seats. "Safety first," she says, and off we go. I'm never sure where we go until we get there. If Mac goes to the doctor, I go to the doctor. I love Doctor's big aquarium. There are lots of fish. Penguins love fish. The little orange clownfish looks lost, but that's a different story. I can't help myself. Peck, peck, peck on the glass wall. Peck, peck, peck. Mac's mom says, "Furry, no eating Doctor's fish." She says this every time. Mac has lots of visits to the doctor. Every single time I peck, 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 and every single time Mom says no. She is very consistent. Everyone in the waiting room smiles. They have not seen a mom talking to a stuffed penguin before. The car is a magical box that takes us on adventures. We've been to museums, the Christopher Columbus boat, and even giant stores with special carts for kids like Mac. and penguins too. Mac and I roll all around the store looking for treasures to buy with his allowance or Daddy's wallet. I never know what surprises Mac will choose. It is always something precious for boys and penguins that Mac shares.